Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Hisham. Today we are presenting to you a new project that's located in Marjan Island, Ras Al Khaimah. And here with me, a sales manager from the developer to take us through every single details of the Mondrian residences in Marjan Island. Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Good, amazing. Would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Sure. So I am Alessa from Elevate. So we actually have a project right now which is on Al Marjan Island, as you mentioned. It's called the Mondrian, okay? So we're talking about beachfront branded residences.
Perfect. Well, the first question is, why will they buy here? I know there is a lot of options in the market. We saw almost similar launches with maybe you have seen the same design, this U shape. We have seen it, I guess, some 3-4 times in Ras Al Khaimah. But why are we considering investing with you guys, not the surrounding project?
So just so you know, first and foremost, we are in the pre-launch phase right now. So
I know the prices are good.
Very competitive pricing right now.
Yes.
Okay. Then we're going to talk about the location. The location is really prime, really exceptional. We're talking about beachfront, private beach access, 2 open green spaces on the side. We have over here, on the side over here, an independent beach club. And for those who know well Marjan Islands, they know that there's Ushuaia, there's Nikki Beach, which is high-standing beach clubs. So we are to expect a big one right next to us, which adds value to our property. Okay?
Yeah, perfect. Later on, if you're interested, we will show you the master plan of this island, and we can go into details of the surrounding plots. Now, you said this is beach access
Private.
Residences, which the other don't have, and also you spoke about the brand. Can you go a little bit
More
deep
detail.
into the brand, because I guess our viewers maybe they don't all know about the brand.
Mondrian.
Yeah.
So our brand is called the Mondrian. Okay, you will see it on our building over here.
Yeah.
The Mondrian, which is here and here. Okay. The Mondrian, it all started in LA, in Los Angeles. So they started with celebrities initially. So celebrities, they came to the Mondrian to have this nightlife, this party lifestyle, but also the relaxing lifestyle. And it was working so well that they decided to expand onto the biggest cities in the world. We're talking about Singapore, Hong Kong. We're talking about the Gold Coast, Australia, Ibiza, Cannes, Bordeaux, the biggest cities in the world. And they are planning to expand it even more in the next few years because it's working so well. They were in press releases like the Forbes, the Travel Alive, and many more other press.
Perfect. So as you heard, this is a hospitality brand. It's not a furniture or a fashion brand. Really, really nice.
So it is branded residences and not hotels, yeah.
Yes.
But with this 5-star hospitality.
Oh, okay, perfect. Now, before we move into the details, what kind of services, if I purchase here, I can expect?
So first and foremost, you have the amenities, which is part of the package when someone purchases 1 unit, okay?
Yes.
So you've got the services. We're talking about the valet, we're talking about the doorman, we're talking about the housekeeping, the property maintenance, they've got the Wi-Fi, of course. They've got a membership as well that is included in the package when they purchase a unit with us.
Any
okay?
unit,
Any
even
unit.
if it's a studio.
Any unit.
Perfect.
Studio, 1 bed, any unit.
Amazing.
And so they can enjoy with all our amenities. So we're talking about there is pools. On the ground floor, there's a restaurant which is called the Filia. It's a Michelin,
Filia.
Filia.
So this is Filia located. We have any brands in Dubai?
We do have.
UAE?
We do have. So SLS Business Bay.
Yeah, there is one.
Yes.
Okay, that's perfect. Now let's go and speak about how many floors we have, basement, ground. How many basements we have here?
Okay, so we have 2 grounds of basements.
Okay.
So which means that if you want me to show it.
Yes, this is okay. Look, guys, this is the entrance of this project is in the back. Okay, so when you come here, this is the entrance, and they have valet services as she already mentioned. But the entrance to the
Parking is over
parking is here. Okay,
So it's 2
so
grounds.
we don't have any parking podiums, but there is some parkings outside. Okay, you don't care about the parking over here because they have a valet.
Exactly.
Okay, here, as you said, we don't have any units over here. Okay, so all the units they have a sea view. Next.
Even the studios have the sea view. Even the studios, which most projects do not have. So all our units are sellable, fully sellable.
Perfect.
Okay. So this is the back side. Okay. This is our brand, the Mondrian. As you can see, very luxurious.
I have a question. Now in the ground floor, you already spoke about the amenities. I guess here we have a gym, and then here we have the children play area.
Yeah.
You mentioned about the
Restaurant.
The restaurant.
Exactly.
What is this?
And the spa.
What is this unit? I can see they have a pool.
So over here we've got the 3-bedroom duplex townhouses. Okay, so on the ground floor and the first floor, they both have swimming pools. We're talking about 2,500 square foot to 3,500 square foot approximately. Okay, and it's called front row collection for a reason, because literally when you go outside, you're on the beach. There's a little garden.
Direct access. This is nice. The first time I see a townhouse with it goes to the first floor, not double heighted ground. So here you said 3-bedroom. Here we have 4-bed, or what is this?
Over here is the 4-bedroom duplex townhouses.
4-bedroom.
Okay,
nice.
Ground floor, first floor, same thing. The swimming pool, front row collection. They go on the beach. Okay, talking about 3,500 to 4,500 square foot.
Okay. Do we have any other units in the ground floor?
Yes.
Or only those?
No, so we have the 3 bedrooms as well, which are right over here.
Here, this side.
Yeah, right over here. So we've got 3 bedrooms of 3-bedroom duplex townhouses.
Okay,
3 units.
The ground floor is all for the townhouses.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the other floors. How many floors we have over here?
So we have in total 14 floors.
14.
Okay? So I mentioned about the townhouses, which is on the ground floor and the first floor.
Nice.
And as from the 2nd till the 12th floors is all the 1 to 3 bedrooms and the studios.
Nice.
And how are they dispatched amongst this project?
Yeah.
So on the sides here, okay, we're talking about the 1 beds.
Okay.
Over here as well, the 1 beds, okay, inside, yeah.
Yeah, this side.
Yeah. And inside, in the U shape, yeah, we're talking about the 2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms.
And the 3 bedrooms are on this side, over here.
Nice.
Yeah?
So all the 3 bedrooms are here.
Exactly.
Nice.
And the studios are dispatched amongst all of this. So all the middle, the 2 beds, 1 beds, yeah, they are dispatched.
Okay.
And on this side, we've got a mixture between the 2 beds, 1 beds, and the studios.
Perfect. I have a question. So the floor plates, they are all the same, or it's a different floor plate?
It's different.
Okay.
It's different.
Okay, nice. Now, what about you said only 12. You spoke about only 12.
Exactly.
What about 12?
So
After 12?
the really premium, exclusive, and limited units.
Yeah.
We're talking about the 5-bedroom triplex sky villas, okay,
Triplex.
which are on the 13th, 14th, and the rooftop. Okay.
Nice.
So we have them here, and we have 13th, 14th, and the rooftop. There's a pool right over there.
Okay, nice. I have a question. Is there 2 units, or it's only 1 unit this side?
This is only 1 unit.
Only 1 unit.
Only one
and you
unit.
have on all this.
All this half
Rough,
yellow.
all this top is yours. Nice.
All this-
How much is the price over here?
So it's price on application, to be honest.
okay.
So it's not.
So
really,
if you're interested in a product like this, something large, premium, you reach out to me, and then we speak with her, and we get you the quotation. Nice. You with similar over here?
yes,
This
5-bedroom.
this is also 5?
Triplex, yeah, exactly the same.
And what about these size?
Those ones over there are the 3-bedroom, so it's duplex penthouses.
It's duplexes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have the 4 bedrooms as well, the triplex 4 bedrooms, which is over here, and the pool is up here. Pool is up here, as you can see, right next to a paddle court, which is here. So this is their pool, and this is them. And over here for the 4-bedroom duplex sky villas penthouse. Yeah.
Nice.
The pool is over there.
Nice. Okay, so what do we have over there on the rooftop? I can see some sitting
here?
areas. What is this?
So this is a sky lounge. So it's a sky lounge and also a networking space where people can make meaningful connections. They can go over there even to take a little drink. They can have their cigars if ever they want to relax and chill.
Wow.
They can go to the sky lounge, okay? And so all the space here is a networking area where people can talk. As I said, the paddle court is here, and right over here on top is our infinity pool, where there's written the Mondrian on it. Over here. And there's ice baths for kind of the recovery zones, the ice baths, etc. over there.
Perfect. Well done. Well explained. Now, let's go inside the apartment. What do you have? It is furnished,
So it's-
kitchen appliances. What do you guys offer?
So it's a semi-furnished,
Okay.
with fully fitted kitchen by Miel Ogagono. So it's a brand,
Nice.
of course. It's a brand because
Yes.
we are branded. So everyone behind it is very luxurious, like finishing partners, etc.
Amazing. You said everybody behind it. Who's behind this project?
Ah, that is the good question.
This is, I know, the developer is Eleve, but who, and we know Mondrian, you guys partnership with them, but is there any other guys behind this project that will stand on the success
of this project.
of this project?
So there's one project and there's four partners behind this project. Where in Dubai can you find one project with 4 partners behind? And they are the biggest names in their sectors. So we're talking about Gangster, which is the biggest architectural and design firm in the world.
The biggest, not only one of the tops, the biggest.
The biggest architecture.
Second.
And now, Bergsman Design House. So they are the ones, if people know in Dubai, the one and only Zabiel, which is very known as well outside the hotel.
Yes.
They have done the interior designer for them. They also do super yachts for billionaires,
Wow.
hotels, residences, and they are the ones that are doing our interior design. We're
Amazing.
talking about an award-winning interior designer. by the
Yeah,
way.
I know. Third.
Third, so Accor Group, which I'm sure you know, 5-star hospitality, they will be the one that will be managing our project. So they did a joint venture with Ennismore. So
Okay.
Ennismore will be managing our project.
Amazing.
5-star hospitality.
Fourth.
Fourth,
You said fourth.
the Mondrian,
The Mondrian.
which is us, our brand. Okay, so which started, as I explained.
Wow.
No.
Wow. I like this project before she even spoke about the prices. Now we will go into starting prices, okay, for, let's speak only about 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. And then if anybody interested in other units, they can reach out to us and we can connect on a Zoom call or we can bring them here. Now speak about the prices for 1 bed and 2 bed and also the payment plan.
Do you want to know for the studios as well? Or
Okay, go for
studios?
studios.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So that
Let's
they know
start
the
with
lowest price?
studios.
Okay. So the studios are 1.6 million starting price.
Okay.
450 to 550 square foot.
Large.
Very large, very decent in sizes.
Yes.
The 1 bed is 800 to 900 square foot.
Again, large. Large sizes.
The 2 bedroom,
Price for the 1 bed?
the 1 bed, sorry, 2.55.
2.55.
Yeah.
Okay, 2.55 inside or from the outside?
2.55, you've got actually units 2.55 here and even there,
Okay.
to be honest.
Okay,
Yeah.
amazing. Now, 2 bedroom.
2 bedroom, 3.69 million. We're talking about 1,200 to 1,500 square foot approximately.
Okay, the normal size, 2 bedroom, nice one.
Very
There is any maid's room in these 2 bedrooms?
And what's this, sorry?
Maid's rooms
The maid rooms.
in 2 bedroom.
No, there's no maid rooms.
Okay,
No.
perfect. Now
That's fine.
let's dive into the payment plan.
Payment plan.
Yes, make it short,
So,
or you can explain it.
okay. So the payment plan is 60-40. We're talking about 20% down payment, 5% quarterly, and then 40% on handover. Yeah?
40% on handover. Okay.
There's a 1-year gap after the last 5% payment and before the 40% on handover for investors that wish to flip, knowing that the 4% notary, like the rack,
It's paid after.
yeah, will be during the handover, so they will have a waiver if ever they flip before.
Perfect.
Yeah,
So the payment plan again, 20% you pay now, we book the unit, we sign the paperwork, we're done. And then you have 5% every 3 months, okay? The last 5% you're paying, you will have a gap of 1 year. In this year, by that time, the Wayne Casino will be ready and you will have room to resell your unit. If you want to resell, if you want to keep it, that's perfect. You didn't mention the handover date.
Q4 2028.
Q4 2028, just after the handover of the Wynn Casino. This, I guess, was amazing presentation. Did we miss anything? You want to add something?
Actually, we have mentioned everything.
We mentioned everything.
Oh,
We
the
spoke.
membership with
the-
Accor.
Yeah,
that they
everybody
get.
that purchased the property here, it will get the membership of Accor, Platinum one.
Yeah.
You want to add something?
So it's not the silver, the gold, it's the platinum one.
The Platinum,
Yeah.
yeah. So we spoke about the townhouses, we spoke about the sky villas, we spoke about the 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments. If you're interested, you know what to do, reach out to me. We will connect and we will choose a unit for you. Also, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to grab the link of my WhatsApp channel from the description. Make sure you follow. I share every time and daily updates about real estate market in the UAE. Thanks for your time. Thanks to Alisa.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. Yalla, bye bye.